Evaluating functions linear and quadratic or cubic. The functions f and g are defined as follows. F of x equals negative 4x plus 2, and g of x equals negative 3x cubed minus 2. They want us to find f of 6 and g of negative 2. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to rewrite these problems over here so we have a little more room to work. Again, this question is asking you for two separate things. So we're going to look at this first one and then we'll look at the second one. So here is the function f of x equals negative 4x plus 2. And they want me to find f of 6. So remember how function notation works. If we replace this x with a 6, we need to also replace this x with a 6. But we keep everything else the same. So if this x turns into a 6, this x has to turn into a 6, but everything else stays the same. Now we just evaluate this. So negative 4 times 6 is negative 24 plus 2. Negative 24 plus 2 is negative 22. So we get f of 6 equals negative 22. That's all there is to it. So this first answer is that one. To do this second one, I'm going to again rewrite the function g of x. This time it's negative 3x cubed minus 2. So it's exactly the same. And they want me to find g of negative 2. So instead of the x turning to a 6, now the x is turning to a negative 2. So we rewrite the same function, but instead of x, we're putting negative 2. Okay? Now I need to evaluate the exponents first. So here I have negative 3 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, which is negative 8. Minus 2. So then I do this multiplication. Negative 3 times negative 8 is positive 24 minus 2. And positive 24 minus 2 is 22. So g of negative 2 equals positive 22. And that's all there is to it. When they replace this x with something, you just replace all the other x's in the function with the same number and evaluate.